All right, everybody. Welcome to another live New York session. This is Paul McMillan II. We are about to do another G.S.A strategy technical analysis. It is April 7, 2023. But before we do that, we're going to check the news. So let me log on in here. Now, as you can see, we have the NFP today. So that's going to be at 8:30 in about 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in a 4-hour time frame. And we are going to click on Vinny's cheat code here. And as we can see, prices already crossed the HMA, but it looks like it's about to retest the HMA here on the 4-hour. All right. But let's turn that off and let's actually look at structure here. So we can see that price wiped out this previous high here. So there's a shoulder here. All right. And then we have structure up here. We also see that price also broke previous structure here. There was the last swing high, and price broke that and bought that all the way up. So it looks like here that price will probably break this structure and maybe do a swing low and go all the way up. That's what I'm thinking as far as current price. Well, let's go to the 1 hour and confirm that. So this is what we see. We see that price is more than likely going to probably sell all the way down to this zone here and then do a swing high and go up. Because when we look at the 4-hour, price is overall bullish. Okay, so we can see that here. So we can see that price is probably overall bullish, but currently bearish. So more likely price is probably going to come down and swing to this area, since there is a shoulder here. So we're going to put a zone here. Okay. Now, we see previous structure here. That was also broken here as well. Well, price broke the structure here and then swing down. So this is a swing high, last swing high. So my guess is that price is going to come down to here. I see we got NFP, so price is really selling and now it's pushing this area. See that? So let's turn on the cheat code here. So it's really pushing on the 1 hour. And I already initiated the trade. So you see, it came down, retested this area and pushed. So I was correct. So let me go ahead and check my profit because I got this trade over there. Hold on for a second. Let me pause this recording. Oops. All right, so I just closed my first partial trade. Made $216 on that. 340, 260. Well, it's $342. Once the broker took out his fees, $216. I'm waiting for my partial trade here. So I'm gonna trail the stop loss here. Like I said, it was going to come down to this area and then push on up. Let me draw a trend line here. And I'm going to trail the stop loss. 1, 2, 4, 5, 2. So I'm going to trail the stop loss until either we close in $100 profit or if it hits the stop loss. Be right back. All right, so I closed at $100 of profit, so I made $314 total. So let me go ahead and document this, and then I'll show you guys the results. Be right back. All right, so as you can see, price drops just like we thought it would, and it makes sense. It broke this last structure here, so it's probably going to come really deep into this demand zone, do a swing low, and then start to push up. Now, if we were to really buy this, what we will want to do is we will want to wait for a CC cheat code buy, and price is really sticking out from this blue Bollinger Band here. So we will wait for a cheat code buy and wait for price to really come around and test above the HMA. Well, to cross the HMA the first time, then wait for the retesting and push it on up. So we were correct on this analysis. We said that price was overall bullish, but currently bearish, and that it was going to drop and break all this structure, and we respect this demand zone and then push back up, which means that it's overall bullish. So we did good on this New York session. Let me go ahead and share with you the results. For the first partial trade, $342. Second partial trade, $102. So made $314. And of course, because there were charges for each trade. The first trade $76, second one $4. So really that's probably $80 charge, maybe. So that's when we got $314 on this trade. But this is demo. We're going to be going live next week officially. But yeah, price dropped heavily because of NFP. So we got in on the 1 hour and knocked that out. Let's see how many points was this. 44. So excuse me, 44 pips on GU. 44 pip move. So yeah. All right. If I could take a picture of this, be like that. All right, guys, so that is it. We got a 44 pip move. Of course, we ended up trading the news on this one, but we did on the 1 hour, so we got it without dealing with crazy volatility. But yeah, that's good. So we did good on this trade. So yeah, that's it for this New York session, guys. See you next week.